Hello, and welcome to my presentation titled Can Wearable Sensor Electrodermal Activity Data be used to detect and monitor neuropsychiatric symptoms of dementia? Preliminary results from an ongoing systematic review. Neuropsychiatric symptoms of dementia, NPS, such as apathy, aggression, sleep disturbances, wandering, and depression, can be behavioral manifestation of stress. Stress activates the sympathetic nervous system that can be detected with physiological parameters such as heart rate and skin perspiration. Observational tools are conventionally used to assess NPS in nursing homes, but they are time-consuming and somewhat subjective. A small but rapidly growing multidisciplinary body of evidence has investigated the validity of using wearable sensor technology. If wearable technology can provide valid measures of NPS, this could potentially revolutionize person-centered dementia care. Our question is, what is the evidence for the use of EDA in detecting and/or monitoring NPS in persons living with dementia? For our diagnostic test assessment systematic review, we included all quantitative, qualitative, and mixed human studies measuring any of the NPS outcome of interest. For population, we included all dementia types and mild cognitive impairment. For index tests, we use wearable sensors measuring vital signs and/or other physiological parameters such as motion evaluation. For reference standard, we use NPS assessment tools and clinical assessments. For outcomes, NPS domains combined and/or individually. We conducted diagnostic test assessment systematic review using Covidence Systematic Review web-based platform. A literature search was conducted from inception until December 2020. We used multiple database, medical database, and engineering as well. Our protocol was published in Prospero. Here I'm presenting you my systematic review Prisma diagram. A systematic literature search produced 6,112 articles. Informed by Prisma guidelines, the final corpus of 77 titles included studies investigating the diagnostic test accuracy of actigraphy, 39 studies, accelerometry, 16 studies, other activity monitoring, 16 studies, and electrodermal activity, 6 studies. Here I'm presenting you a summary table of 6 studies evaluating diagnostic test accuracy of electrodermal activity. Among the 6 retained studies, 4 studies investigated sensors' ability to detect agitation, 4 studies used EDA wristbands, and 2 studies were multimodal. They used video recording as well. All studies included clinical staff observations as a reference standard. Methodological quality was assessed using the Quadus tool. In the participant selection domain, you can see it, we considered all studies to be at unclear risk of bias, as they included small, purposeful samples. Preliminary evidence suggests that EDA sensors can detect states of agitation among persons living with dementia. EDA sensors data used by clinical staff may improve individualized patient-centered dementia care. EDA in combination with other sensors may provide superior results. And our final conclusion that more research is needed. Thank you very much.